Hi and welcome back to another video. My name is Timothy Roy, and on this episode of TR Walks, Ontario Place Park, walking tour, a scenic adventure. So Ontario Place was built in 1971 and originally designed as a park that would showcase the province's culture and heritage. It was also meant to be a place where people could come together and enjoy the outdoors. The park has gone through some renovations and is now a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. So just to give you a rundown of the gear I'm using, I have my Keen sandals, my favorite gear to walk in because of the durability. Fjallraven shorts, again, really like the durability. I have my Icebreaker t-shirt, I really like merino wool. My fleece vest, I'm a big fan of vests just because I like to keep the core warm and my arms and legs overheat. My hat, my TR Walks hat, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but my Tom Talk sling bag. So I really like this bag. It holds everything I need, all my toiletries, my glasses, all my electronics for doing videos like this. So we start this walk at Trillium Park, which is a beautiful park located on the waterfront. It offers stunning views of Lake Ontario, which we will see. At the entrance of this park, you'll also find washrooms as well. lots of places to sit as well. And green grass. And places to lock your bike up as well. And a river walk fish habitat. Looks like they're doing some construction here, enhancing it, and that's why you see all this. And next we're at the Cinesphere, which is an IMAX theater. Opened in 1971 and is still running today. So I'm not sure what this is, but it kind of looks like old remnants of the theme park that used to be here. And some really nice So one last thing about Ontario Place Park, there is also Budweiser stage. We couldn't get access to that part. Alright, thank you so much for joining us on this walk. Since you made it this far, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. Thank you again, and I'll see you on our next walk.